How to upload audio to Google Drive. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you upload audio file to Google Drive. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Google Drive on your system. Alright, so after you open the Google Drive with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here you can as usual create a new folder and inside them you can upload the audios. And although you can also directly upload the audio from here, so I'm creating a new folder. So for that tap on plus just at the bottom right corner. Now from here go with the option create folder. And now from here simply I will name this folder like audio. Alright, so after you create the folder, you'll have to just open that folder and now from the section again tap from the plus icon just at the bottom right corner. Now from here tap on upload file. Okay, so from here you'll have to just go the options browse and now from here you can easily choose your audio whom you want to upload on your Google Drive. So in this way you can easily upload the audio file to your Google Drive. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.